Okay, number 17. Okay, so this one's asking for the slope at -4. So hopefully you know that just means find the derivative and plug in -4. So here I go, derivative. Well, actually, before I do the derivative, let me rewrite this term right here so that I can do a power rule. So when I write this problem down on my paper, I wouldn't bother writing it the way it is. I would move that x squared to the top right away, making it a -2. Okay? Notice my notation does not have a derivative. Now I'm going to do the derivative. Power rule, you get 4x plus 5, and this will be positive 14, x to the subtract 1, and you get -3. Okay, now move that to the bottom, because I don't know what the heck, plugging in a -4 to the -3 power, what is that? Who knows? So when I evaluate this, I'm going to want to clean it up and make it 14 over x cubed. Now it makes more sense when I go to plug in a number. Okay, so now I need to evaluate this at -4. Not my favorite, might not be my most pleasant math. Okay, 4 times -4, that would be -16, plus 5, plus 14 over, hold on, my pen has stopped working. Need to charge. Pause, por favor. One moment. So that would be 14 over -4 cubed. -4 times -4 times -4, which is -64. And then I suspect from here that you just had trouble with the math from here. So figure out the easiest way to do this without a calculator. By the way, small technicality. Right here, I shouldn't have put an x right there. I should have put a -4 right there, because we're doing the derivative at -4. Well, that's pretty messy. Gotta fix it. Can't take it. Okay, so doing the derivative now at -4. All right, so now it's just a matter of simplifying all this. Okay, so I have a -11 if I combine these two and this. Divide by 2 maybe. We know it's a negative. If I divide by 2, I'm going to get 7 over 32. Can I make that any nicer? All right, I gotta say I'm not really loving this so much without a calculator, but guess what? I can kind of cheat. This is just -11 and 7 over 32, because I'm just adding those up and then change it to an improper fraction. On the test, I would probably not ask you to evaluate it at -4. I would probably say do -3 at most, or -2. I didn't mean to make that one not so pleasant, but that's the main idea. Now, if you want to make sure that that answer matches the answer on the back of the worksheet, then you're going to multiply the 32 and the 11 and add 7. Okay? So 32 times 11 is 352. Add the 7, you would get 359. So this is the same as -359 over 32. Okay? But now on my test, I wouldn't even probably give you one that, those numbers aren't the most pleasant to do without a calculator. But on the AP exam, yeah, this would be fair game. But to be honest with you, unless it's a multiple choice test, you don't have to simplify it at all. You're even allowed to get away with just this because it's mathematically equivalent. Okay? So hope that helped. That was number 17.